Hi-Fi Network Hub is celebrating this very special profile of ours that has been conceptualized, visualized, designed, and created by the amazing duo, the founders of IRID Digital Intelligence, Miss Hiba and Miss Rida. Two of the most energetic, creative, astute H&H elite businesspreneurs. Hi-Fi Network Hub is an immense gratitude to these spirited youngsters who are the creators of not only our fantabulous website, but our certificates, our video advertisements, our GIF advertisements, business profile PDFs, to name just few of the things that they have created for H&H. For those who would want to connect with them and are wondering about their pricing, I can assure you that their charges are competitive and they are able to zoom into what the client needs and how it can be done super effectively and, if possible, automated. Their work is classy, on time, and creative. I can go on and on, but would like to let each one of you experience my pride. To do so, I would now like to introduce all of y'all to our guest of honor for the inauguration of the website, Mrs. Rupa Rani. Mrs. Rupa Rani, requesting you now to please share your screen as I take you through the process of showcasing our website. So may I please request you to please share your screen? Thank you.
Yeah, sure.
A great, proud creation by our Hiba and Rida team. IRID Digital Intelligence. Thank you. May I please request you to scroll right down?
Scroll down? Yeah.
Yes, please. Perfect.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you very much. This was the meetup that we had in Mumbai. And if you could please continue to scroll down.
Yeah, I'll continue.
Thank you.
Scroll, yeah.
The About Us page has not only our precious admins listed there, they should pop up any moment now. Rupa Ma'am, can we please go a little higher so that...
Little higher? Okay.
Yes, a little bit higher. Thank you. Perfect.
Yeah.
Perfect. A little bit more. Are we able to see the logos of our admins and our H&H Elite a little bit higher?
Little bit higher? Yeah.
Slide. Thank you. Oh no, it's gone off too much.
Little, yeah.
Okay, perfect. Perfect. Our services, you will see that we've got 3 paid services there.
Yeah.
Thank you. If you could please click on that and scroll downwards.
Yeah. Yeah.
A little more.
Some more? Yeah.
Yes, please. A little bit more.
Yeah, more.
We should be able to see there.
The screen. Yeah. Okay.
See the different categories of people there, the different profiles that we have. So our H&H Elite page would have, can we go a little bit higher? I'm hoping that we would still be able to see
Higher, huh?
a little, yes, above what are the benefits.
Yeah.
A little bit more.
Little more?
Yes, a little bit more.
Yeah.
Perfect, perfect. Our elite.
Yeah. Okay.
That's exactly where I wanted us to be. Thank you. And this is the most favorite and the toughest part that was managed by our amazing designers. The H&H Elite are indeed our pride. We have 34 different profiles under which our H&H Elite are listed. There are over 240 H&H Elite setting a benchmark of ethical and professional standards that have gained us a reputation of being a platform that is respected. The buyers on Hi-Fi Network Hub feel very safe. So we constantly reiterate that it is important to ask our admins for a recommendation if they are going to buy from someone who is not an H&H Elite. The trust factor is good. Everybody is doing their best, but this is very, very important. As each day passes, I have been finding it more and more difficult to connect with our H&H Elite on a personal level. So our fantabulous Hiba and Rida were able to ensure that not only will our H&H Elite get a special space on our website, but when there is a requirement for them, we would be able to connect them personally to the others. The network link and the contact link that you see on the website is self-explanatory. Please go into those two links to check out all the activities that we've done over the years that even I have forgotten about. It is thanks to Hiba and Rida, their creative thinking, their passion to make sure that whatever they gave H&H was done more than 100%, has got this website running.